Hi everyone, I'm Stuart. Welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. Let's look at today's key phrase. This is the third most popular movie of the year. Let's break it down. Today's skill is ranking superlative adjectives. We usually use superlative adjectives to express the extreme or the highest degree of a quality, pretty much a number one. For example, Tokyo is the biggest city in Japan. However, we can also refer to the number 2, number 3, number 4 things by using ordinal numbers. Some common ordinal numbers include 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, etc. For example, Osaka is the second biggest city in Japan. We generally don't say first because it would be redundant. Here is the Japanese. Please pause if you would like to read. Let's have a look at the structure. This is the third most popular movie of the year. So we use the, then we use our ordinal, so the third, then we use the superlative, most popular. The third most popular. Let's look at some examples. We booked the third cheapest hotel. We decided to go to the 4th closest restaurant. The 7th oldest bank in the country closed yesterday. He is the second smartest man in my company. I bought the third newest smartphone. That is the second worst idea I've heard. Thank you very much for watching today's class. If you'd like to practice the grammar, please leave an example in the comments below. Bye.